Local news for Thursday the 7th of March. A special visitor from the UK is paying a visit to Wairarapa on Easter weekend. Busby, the Queen's Guard, has been announced as the special shape balloon for the 2019 Wairarapa Balloon Festival. Standing at a little over 95 feet or 29 metres, Busby is based on the Queen's Guards at Buckingham Palace in London. An application to the Provincial Growth Fund has been made by the Martinborough Dark Sky Society and was given a letter of support from the Wairarapa Economic Development Strategy. The Society aims to create the world's newest and potentially largest international dark sky reserve. The Day Spa at Brackenridge Country Retreat and Spa in Martinborough has been nominated in the prestigious World Luxury Spa Awards 2019, the only spa from the Wairarapa region to make it to the list of the New Zealand segment of the awards. Acting General Manager and Spa Manager Sharon Garrett says we're delighted to be a nominee in the World Luxury Spa Awards alongside brands such as So Spa at the Sofitel in both Auckland and Queenstown, the Spa at the Blanket Bay Lodge and the Spa at Millbrook Lodge, to name but a few. And Netball Southern are holding a public meeting next Wednesday night at the Martinborough Rugby Club to discuss the best way forward for junior netball in Wairarapa.